Columnist Abhijit Iyer Mitra today was arrested and later granted bail in Delhi for his alleged derogatory remarks about the state of Odisha and the Sun Temple. Now, Mitra has been granted a bail on a surety of 1 lakh rupees and is asked to join the investigation in Odisha by September 28th. Well, that of course being the latest in this case, Abhijit Iyer Mitra, who was booked for allegedly derogatory remarks on the government of Odisha, has been granted unconditional bail on a surety of 1 lakh rupees. Remember, journalist, he was arrested by the police in Delhi earlier on charges of making some very derogatory remarks on Odisha, is now granted bail. The Delhi Saket court in fact granted bail till September 20th on the surety of 1 lakh rupees and has directed him to depose before the Connaught police station after the completion of a period of further investigation. Our senior colleague Bhavtosh now joining me on the phone line with more updates. Bhavtosh, help us understand this entire case and the proceedings of the court as well. He has now been granted bail till further questioning.
Yes, in fact, it's a very controversial move by the state government to arrest Abhijit Iyer Mitra on charges that he hurt religious sentiments. There were a lot of ruckus in Odisha's assembly where both the ruling party BJD as well as Congress said that there should be a privilege motion moved against him because he made derogatory remarks on Sun Temple, following which a case was filed by the state police under various sections of IPC and also IT Act. Apart from him, J. Panda, the ex-member of parliament and who was earlier associated with BJD, has been booked. He was arrested. His friends and supporters claim that it's attack on freedom of speech. But big setback for the state police because the court first pulled up the state police for making a flimsy case against him. And second, they said that it's just a photo and a video. How can you book him on the charges of hurting religious sentiment? After which he was released on a bail of 1 lakh rupees and interim relief has been given him for a week's time.
All right, many thanks Bhavtosh for joining us with those details. The court also pulling up the Odisha police for filing this case on a very flimsy ground, while the columnist Abhijit Iyer Mitra has been granted bail on a surety of 1 lakh rupees.